Jody, Nebraska, you are likely familiar with bagworms. Bagworms are caterpillars that are especially damaging to evergreens like spruce, juniper, and arborvitae. They are defoliators that damage our plants right before our eyes because they are hidden in silken camouflaged bags. Bagworm caterpillars are protected in these tough bags, which grow with the caterpillar and are covered with the plant material that the caterpillars are feeding on. They can feed on any plant like flowering fruit trees, herbs, grasses, but are especially damaging to conifers because they do not regenerate their needles. Around early June, hundreds of tiny caterpillars emerge from the bags that have overwintered in the landscape. Caterpillars feed from June through August. By the end of the season, their bags can be up to 2 inches long and attached firmly to a branch or another item near the tree. They are often mistaken for cones or parts of the tree. In early fall, male bagworms emerge as brown furry moths and mate with female bagworms inside the female bag. She leaves hundreds, if not 1,000 eggs to stay overwintered on the tree. This means there's only a small period of time when bagworms are actually feeding and an even smaller window of time where they are not protected by the bag. Insecticide application should therefore be targeted for the youngest caterpillars. Biorational products such as Bacillus thuringiensis, spinosad, or azadirachtin are effective, but must be completely and a thorough application on the foliage because they must feed it in order to get enough of the toxicant in order to control them. Once bags are over 1 inch long, options for management include hiring a professional company or using homeowner products such as acephate, carbaryl, malathion, or synthetic pyrethroids such as bifenthrin or permethrin. Remember to always read and follow the label. Now is the time to look around your landscape and remove and destroy any bagworms that you do see. Come June, again, closely inspect your plants and look for those teeny tiny caterpillars. If you have some young conifers that you want to protect, consider your treatment options and remember, timing is key.